Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a strong base photo and immediately duplicating it so your original stays safe. Once done, add adjustment layers for exposure and white balance instead of direct edits, because this preserves options. Next, apply a precise crop to the target aspect ratio and enable guides to lock composition. Make small global corrections first: shadows, highlights, contrast. Then create a smart object for creative effects. This gives you flexibility to refine the look without irreversible changes. Now focus on the middle, where the style forms. Isolate areas and apply local adjustments to sculpt light and focus, using dodge and burn or radial filters to guide the eye. Meanwhile, create color grade layers, split toning or selective color, and blend them with overlay, soft light, or color blend modes, reducing opacity until it feels natural. Add subtle texture or grain to unify the image. Then apply targeted sharpening with a high-pass layer so details pop without creating halos. Finish by reviewing the image at 100% and in context. Zoom out and ensure tonal balance and color consistency. Save a layered master, then flatten a copy for export using the appropriate color profile and file type. Create a preset or action so you can replicate the new style across photos quickly, and run a small batch test on 3-5 images to confirm consistency. Troubleshooting tip: if colors shift on export, check your color profile and disable color management conversions to prevent double profiling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.